Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth, how you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we'll be going to see what is lookalike audience and how you can create your lookalike audience from custom audience or from other sources. So in this video we'll be going to see lookalike audience, uh, not in depth but an overview of lookalike audience in Facebook Business Manager and what are the pros of Facebook lookalike audience. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need a business manager. I already logged in into my business manager. So you have to log in into your business manager and you have to visit audience here, click on it, and just a second. So as we can see it here that there are 4 types of audience. So we already covered saved audience. If you have not watched that video, I will be giving an information tab over here. Go watch that video. There is a specialized audience, there is lookalike audience and custom audience. So in the previous video we also covered custom audience. So if you have not watched that video and interested in watching that video, go watch that video as well. I will be giving an information tab over here. So today we will be going to see about lookalike audience. So how we can create it? So first you have to, as I told you, to navigate into audience. All you have to do is click on create audience and then lookalike audience. But before we create lookalike audience, let's see what is actually lookalike audience. So basically Facebook do have a feature in which you can find most relatable or person or maybe most similar audience from your existing source or existing customer list or whatever audience you have which is existing in your pixel or with your business manager. You can create a lookalike audience of people who are more similar to the source which you provide. So you have to just provide the source and Facebook will do the heavy tasking of finding the similar audience over the Facebook, and they will also give you estimation that how much audience is there in this segment and what are the chances of similarity. Okay, what are the probability of similarity. So basically in Google ads there is a term known as similar audience. Same here, it is known as lookalike audience. So you can see it here also. Reach new people who are similar to audience who already care about. You can create a lookalike audience based on people who like your page, conversion pixel, or any of your existing custom audience. So you can create custom or lookalike audience from any sources which you have already have into your business manager. Maybe it's a data in a pixel or maybe a file you uploaded recently manually on business manager. So without wasting any time, let's get started by building the lookalike audience. So I will not be building lookalike audience, I will be just showing you how you can create lookalike audience. All you have to do is click lookalike audience, and once you click it here, we can say it here 3 steps, and you can see the show tips. So we'll go that later. So you can see it here. The first step is select your lookalike source. So in order to create a lookalike audience, you need a source, maybe a custom audience or maybe a lifetime value customers. So you can see the source you select will be used to find people who share similar traits, maybe on similar traits mean online behavior, maybe it's a shopping behavior or maybe it's of liking some post or maybe of sharing some post or maybe of some commenting on post. A value based source which contains customer lifetime value can be used to create a lookalike of people similar to your most valuable customer. So if you don't know, lookalike audience can be created from a lifetime value customer. You can calculate the lifetime value of a particular customer, and you can use that source in order to create a lookalike audience. So you can say it here, find new people who are similar to your existing customer. So this is basically focusing on custom audience, and create a lookalike of your most valuable customer, which is LTV, customer lifetime value. To create a value based lookalike audience, you upload a custom audience data file with a column for LTV, or set up your pixel or app to capture events that contain values such as purchase. So you can do this as well as you can do that. So when you come here, you have to select a, what we can say, a source. So this is the value based source. Okay, so you can choose from the list of the pixel, maybe product catalog or application or offline event set. On other source you can see all the custom audience which you created earlier, or also you can choose the page who do contain data in it. So currently I will not select any source. Okay, this thing is new, not a new thing, but not old than 1 or 2 year. Previously, when you create a lookalike audience, you don't have a feature of selecting the audience location. All you have to do is create a lookalike audience, and then in your ad set, campaign ad set, you can select the geographical location. But however, here you can do it directly by selecting the region or countries. Okay, so here suppose you want to search for India, so you can do for India. But remember, you can only what we can say, navigate only to a country level, not to the city level. For example, if you want to go for Mumbai, you can say it here, no. If you want to go for Maharashtra, no, not Maharashtra state is not there. But when I search for India, there is India. So remember, you can only choose the country in this parameter, in this step. Maybe it's, yeah, the cities and the states are not available here. Only country can, you can select only country here. So we are done with the lookalike sources, we are done with the audience location, and the most important thing is this, the audience size or the number of lookalike audience. Whenever you create, so remember, whenever you create a lookalike audience, it will be always range from 1%, range from 0% to 10%. Okay, and you can create a lookalike audience between two percentage. For example, if you want to create a lookalike audience from 0% to 1%, this will be one segment audience. Okay, the same thing is repeated for 10 times, and you can create 10% lookalike audience, means you can create 10 lookalike audience from one custom source. So what exactly this percentage is all about? So remember, 1%, 0 to 1% will be the most similar person or audience on the Facebook, which means 0 to, in the range of 0 to 1% will be having more traits and similar online behavior of your existing source. 10% do have audience who have similar behavior, but not very similar behavior, such as the audience in a range of 0 to 1%. So you can also say in a simple word, as you keep moving from 0% to 10%, the similarity will decrease. Okay, so how you can create lookalike audience? You can choose like how much lookalike audience do you want? Do you want one lookalike audience? Do you want 6 lookalike audience? Or do you want 10 lookalike audience? So at once you can only create 6 lookalike audience. So whenever you want to create lookalike audience more than 6% or more than 6 number, so you have to do it twice. Okay, so that's pretty much everything how you can create lookalike audience. And whenever you create lookalike audience, whenever I will suppose I select some source and selected the location and selected the audience size and create audience, Audience, lookalike audience will take some time in order to get generated and available for you to use in your campaign. So it is always advisable to create your lookalike audience maybe one day or maybe like 12 hours before making a campaign on it. So remember this point. This is very crucial point whenever you wanted to use lookalike audience for your campaigns. So that's pretty much everything about lookalike audience, and I hope now you understand what is lookalike audience and can create lookalike audience whenever you need. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And take care. Bye bye.